I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to log out of Snapchat. For that, first of all, open up your Snapchat app. After you have opened up your app, you can see your profile icon on top left. Tap on it. Now tap on settings icon, which is on top right. There you can see many categories like my account, additional service, who can, support, feedback, more information, and account actions. Go to account action and tap on logout. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you'd like to save your login info on the device you are using. Tap yes if you want to save your login information and tap no if you don't. Again, a pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to log out. Tap on logout. This is how you log out of Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.